and swallow my pride and admit that my life was feeling so hollow and I couldn't handle it. So I called a couple of friends and a caring specialist, and I talked through all of my problems till they started to shrink a bit. Well, nothing's easy, but you gotta believe me, you'll never truly be alone. It's okay to ask for help, don't need to fix it all by yourself. It's okay to find a friend to lean on and talk it out. Talk it out. It's okay to ask for help instead of holding on to how you felt. So don't be afraid to go on and reach out. I know it sounds conflicting, but being sad can be addicting. Even when it's awful, still easier than committing. To face you might be missing and do the harder work of fixing all of the broken pieces out of play. Oh, nothing's easy, but you gotta believe me, you'll never truly be alone. It's okay to ask for help, don't need to fix it all by yourself. It's okay to find a friend to lean on and talk it out. Talk it out. It's okay to ask for help instead of holding on to how you felt. So don't be afraid to go on and reach out. There's nothing to fear. Oh, I know you'll find someone who hears you. Oh, I know you'll find someone who helps you through the day. It'll soon be clear when you find someone who hears you. Find someone who loves the things you say. Oh. It's okay to ask for help, don't need to fix it all by yourself. It's okay to find a friend to lean on and talk it out. Talk it out. It's okay to ask for help instead of holding on to how you felt. So don't be afraid to go on and reach out.
Call it integration, I still feel it all without the lights on. 50-50 chance that I could be wrong. Didn't open up to anyone in so long, so long. Oh, you got me wasted, going crazy, got me losing patience. Sorry lady, breaking hearts is all that I know, but I don't wanna do this alone. Tell me if it's over, there's a tear in my chest now when you say it wasn't nice to know you, and you don't wanna trust. Tell me still hearing voices. If you'd only stop this, wishing you could set me free. Hit me where you want, cause you've never been too cautious. Waiting for your call, it's a battle with the forces. You never stop, but you tell me don't break down. Better not if I wanna wake up now. Tell me if it's over. There's a tear in my chest now when you say it wasn't nice to know you, and you don't wanna try. Tell me right here. Tell me right here. Give me one more try. 5 more minutes and we're out of here. Tell me if it's over. There's a tear in my chest now when you say it wasn't nice to know ya, that you don't wanna try. Losing control and I feel the poison. I'm running low and now I'm out of choices. No, this won't last, but the feelings remind me I'm never letting you go. Tell me right here. You give me one more try. 5 more minutes and we're out of here. Five more minutes and we're out of here.
Everybody's talking at me, and maybe I should turn it off. Shelter. I know that I've been waiting for some shelter in my heart. I can't control the words I've been saying. Filter me out, my mind is just playing. Heart is running wild. Got me talking like a child. I'm bringing the fire. So I get higher. Got some fire. Till we light fire. So always getting higher. I'm bringing the fire. So I get higher. Got some fire. Till we light fire. So always getting higher. Everybody's talking at me, and maybe I should turn it off. Shelter. I know that I've been waiting for some shelter in my heart. I can't control the words I've been saying. Filter me out, my mind is just playing. Heart is running wild. Got me talking like a child. I'm bringing the fire. So I get higher. Got some fire. Till we light fire. So always getting higher. I'm bringing the fire. So I get higher. Got some fire. Till we light fire. So always getting higher. I can't control the words I've been saying. Filter me out, my mind is just playing. Heart is running wild. Got me talking like a child. Fire in my soul, I know I'm just fading. Lifting me up, I know I won't take this. Heart's running wild. Yeah. I'm bringing the fire. So I get higher. Got some fire. Till we light fire. So always getting higher. I'm bringing the fire. So I get higher. Got some fire. Till we light fire. So always getting higher.
It's been a while since he has left. Had some time to self-reflect, so now I'm I'm writing this to you. I'm really sorry in advance for every time I have to ask you if you might have changed your mind. And baby, does it make me crazy thinking about you every day, wishing you'd appear? And maybe I'm losing it 'cause lately I've been writing love songs to a boy without a name. So here's to someday. I'm kinda over all the talk. Miss Independent never worked for me. Now I don't really mind. There's nothing wrong with needing you. Anyone who wants to criticize isn't worth the time. But baby,